Hello and welcome to my video. I am setting up my bathroom to dye my hair. So I'm going to be using Nutrice Ultra Cream, which is my favorite hair dye by Garnier. So at my age, I have gray only on the sides of my hair. So if you pull over here, you can see that I have gray. Men tend to start graying on the sides of their head first. So what I'm going to do, I'm dyeing my hair in my bathroom. So I'm using the vanity mirror in front there. So this is my vanity. It opens up. And then behind me, I've hung up a hanging mirror temporarily. So I've put a hook over the shower bar, and this is just a hook to hang a wreath on your door or anything over a door. So this is a door hook that I bent over the bar, came down and bent this and then put a string using clips on this mirror, and I'm hanging it directly behind me on the shower bar. Let's go real slow, and you can see it dangles and it swings if you touch it, but then you turn back. So this way I can see from the mirror behind me to work in this mirror to work with the back of my hair. So also, when you are dyeing your hair at home, this is how I set up the vanity to protect from the hair dye. Because this dark hair dye, if it drips down on the vanity, it will stain. So this is the vanity down here. And I have used these towels over and over again, and I just rewash them. So I take a board and I place over the sink to cover up the sink hole so I can set things on it. So I make a shelf, lay a board over the sink, and then I take a towel and drape it down the front of the vanity. And then I take a little weight to stop the towel from falling off. And then I line up my items I'm going to be using. I use this brush to dip into the solution. So I'm going to use my cream developer. I'll open this up with scissors. I got my scissors ready because you got to clip this top off. Then you add this nourishing cream into the developer. Then you add this Garnier, like an avocado oil, into the developer. And then you shake it really, really well. Shake it. And then I take it out and I squirt it into, take the top off, and I squirt it into this bowl. And this way I can hold the bowl, stir it up, and then I can come in here and I will go piece by piece. I will swipe my hair. Then I will slowly come in and move it down. And then I will swipe again until I've done the whole front. And then also, I will be wearing gloves, so I've already got those laid out. And yes, I do rewash my gloves. I do rewash those. I've used these like 5 times. I do have a shower cap, which I put on when I need to wait about 35 minutes. I bought these from Dollar Tree. You get about 10 little shower caps for $1. They do not come with the Nutrice Ultra Cream permanent hair dye. So then I'll turn here and I'll look in this mirror and I can dye my hair by seeing it from the back there. And I do separate it with a comb, and it takes about an hour to dye my hair. Then let's look on the bathtub. So down on the bathtub, I drape a towel over the whole thing, because if this hair dye drips onto the white porcelain, it will come off, but you have to scrub it off. So I drape the towel. Now on the floor, I have a sheet, an old sheet, which has been used many times, and I wash it. Now the stains don't come out of the sheet. They do not come out of the sheet. And then over the toilet, I drape another towel. This is the toilet right there. So I don't stain. So if anything drips on the white porcelain, and then I drape it over the toilet, drape it over the sink, put a board up there so I can use that as a desk or a table. Come down here. To hold the sheet, I've got weights there and there. And then, let's see, I think that's about it. So this is how I cover my room. I set it up, I set the bathroom up so if it drips, the bathroom will be protected. And there is my mirror hanging over the shower bar. And I take that down after I finish dyeing my hair. And then here is my vanity. And again, my setup. So I lay everything out before I start this project. And so by the time I set all this up, dye my hair, and clean it up, it's about 2 hours. So, okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am getting ready to dye my hair, but I can't show that process because I don't have a way to hold my camera and show how I dye my hair. But look at that gray. You can see the gray. Okay, anyways, here we are. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Also, I do body painting and face painting videos, so if you're interested in that, look for those videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.